Hello student, good morning. Myself Sri K.D. Borse sir, biology subject teacher. In previous lecture we learn human health and disease chapter content concept of health, also concept of immunity, types of immunity. You know there are two types of immunity, innate immunity and acquired or adaptive immunity. In previous lecture we detail discuss innate immunity, also called as inborn immunity, also called as inherited immunity. Today we are going to learn human health and disease chapter content, types of immunity. Second type of immunity known as acquired immunity, also called as adaptive immunity. So let us start today's first concept, type of immunity. You know there are two types of immunity: innate immunity or inborn immunity, also called as inherited immunity. Second type of immunity known as acquired immunity or adaptive immunity. In previous lecture we detail discuss innate, inborn, inherited immunity. Today we are going to learn in detail acquired or adaptive immunity. What is acquired or adaptive immunity? You know, immunity means resistant power. So acquired immunity, resistance that an individual acquire during the life, known as acquired immunity. Resistance that an individual acquire during the life, known as acquired immunity. कोणताही इंडिव्हिज्युअल त्याच्या लाईफमध्ये जी इम्युनिटी पॉवर ॲक्वायर करतो, कॉल्ड देम ॲक्वायर्ड इम्युनिटी. इट इज ऑल्सो नोन ॲज adaptive or specific immunity, because acquired immunity is specific for specific pathogen. So acquired immunity also called as adaptive or specific immunity. Acquired immunity involve formation of antibodies in the body. Such antibody are utilized to neutralize the antigen of pathogen or disease causing agent. What are the unique features of acquired immunity? Different unique features are acquired immunity, like number one, specificity, diversity, discrimination between self and non-self, and memory. Here noted 4 unique features of acquired immunity. Unique features means specific characteristics. We learn one by one. First one is specificity is one of the unique feature of acquired immunity. Acquired immunity produce specific antibody or T lymphocyte against particular antigen or pathogen, called as specificity. Means acquired immunity is specific for a particular specific disease, a particular specific antigen, a particular specific pathogen. So specificity is one of the unique feature of acquired immunity. Acquired immunity ही स्पेसिफिक असते कोणत्याही एका आजारासाठी ॲक्वायर्ड इम्युनिटी ही स्पेसिफिक असते कोणत्याही एका अँटीजनसाठी. ॲक्वायर्ड इम्युनिटी ही स्पेसिफिक असते कोणत्याही एका पॅथोजनसाठी. ॲक्वायर्ड इम्युनिटी त्या पॅथोजनलाच किल करेल ज्याच्यासाठी ती स्पेसिफिक असेल. ॲक्वायर्ड इम्युनिटी त्या आजाराला बरी करेल ज्याच्यासाठी ती स्पेसिफिक आहे. सो specificity is one of the unique feature of acquired immunity. Second unique feature of acquired immunity is diverse. Acquired immunity have ability to recognize. acquired immunity मध्ये एक अशी क्षमता असते टू रेकग्नाइज, ओळखू शकते, a vast variety or diverse pathogen or foreign molecules. Means acquired immunity have a specificity nature. So acquired immunity is specific for particular pathogen or particular foreign molecule. It has ability to recognize vast variety or diverse pathogen or foreign molecules by immunity called as diversity. Acquired immunity मध्ये डायव्हर्सिटी असते, ती रेकग्नाइज करू शकते पर्टिक्युलर पॅथोजनला, पर्टिक्युलर फॉरेन मॉलिक्यूलला. सो diversity is also one of the unique feature of acquired immunity. Third one is discrimination between self and non-self. Discrimination between self and non-self is one of the unique feature of acquired immunity. Acquired immunity differentiate between own body cell, that is self, and foreign non-self molecules. Acquired immunity own body सेल्सला आयडेंटिफाय करते, फॉरेन मॉलिक्यूलला आयडेंटिफाय करते. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द युनिक फीचर ऑफ acquired immunity, discrimination between self and non-self. Up to this we detail discuss total 3 unique features of acquired immunity. Now fourth one is memory is also one of the unique feature of acquired immunity. When the immune system encounters a specific pathogen or particular agent for first time, called as first encounter. जेव्हा आपली इम्युनिटी सिस्टीम कोणत्याही एका पॅथोजनला किंवा फॉरेन एजंटला फर्स्ट टाइम एन्काउंटर करते, सो कॉल्ड देम फर्स्ट एन्काउंटर. मीन्स फर्स्ट टाइम किल करते, त्याला आपण फर्स्ट एन्काउंटर म्हणू शकतो. when second time same pathogen or foreign agent enter into the body, जेव्हा सेम पॅथोजन सेकंड टाइम आपल्या बॉडीमध्ये एंट्री करतो, इट्स एन्काउंटर क्विकली कॉल्ड ॲज सेकंड एन्काउंटर. पहिल्यांदा ज्या पॅथोजनने एंट्री करून डिसीज कॉज केला असेल, त्या पॅथोजनला आपली इम्युन सिस्टीम एन्काउंटर करते, त्या पॅथोजनला किल करते, त्याला आपण फर्स्ट एन्काउंटर म्हणणार. परंतु सेम सेकंड टाइम जेव्हा तोच पॅथोजन आपल्या बॉडीमध्ये एंट्री करेल, तेव्हा त्या पॅथोजनचं एन्काउंटर क्विकली होईल आणि त्याला म्हणणार आपण सेकंड एन्काउंटर. बिकॉज acquired immunity have memory. फर्स्ट टाइम जेव्हा त्याने एंट्री केली तेव्हा त्या पॅथोजनला आयडेंटिफाय केलेलं असतं, त्या पॅथोजन फॉरेन मॉलिक्यूलला आयडेंटिफाय केलेलं असतं, त्याचं स्ट्रक्चर माहिती असतं. सो सेकंड टाइम एन्काउंटर क्विकली than the first time. So memory is one of the unique feature of innate immunity. Up to this we detail discuss total 4 different unique features of acquired immunity, like specificity, diversity, discrimination between self and non-self molecule, and memory. Hope that you understood everything. Now we learn types of acquired immunity. There are 2 types of acquired immunity. Number 1, first, active immunity and passive immunity. Active acquired immunity, passive acquired immunity are 2 types of acquired immunity. We learn difference between active immunity and passive immunity. Here noted active immunity, passive immunity. In active immunity, this type of immunity is produced in response to entry of pathogen. जेव्हा आपल्या बॉडीमध्ये पॅथोजनची एंट्री होते, at that time this type of immunity produced by body's immunity cells, so called as active immunity. This type of immunity means passive immunity produced due to antibodies that are transferred to the body. So this is the difference between active immunity and passive immunity. Second point, active immunity is long lasting immunity. Passive immunity is short lived immunity. Now point number 3, active immunity, the body produce own antibody. Active immunity, the body produce its own antibody. Passive immunity, antibody are given to the body from outside. So this is also different between active and passive immunity. Active immunity मध्ये ओन बॉडी प्रोड्यूस करते इम्युनिटीला. पॅसिव्ह इम्युनिटीमध्ये अँटीबॉडी बॉडीला दिली जाते फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. सो दिस इज द डिफरन्स बिटवीन ॲक्टिव्ह अँड पॅसिव्ह इम्युनिटी. Inactive immunity consists of natural acquired active immunity and artificial acquired active immunity. Passive immunity consists of natural acquired passive immunity, artificial acquired passive immunity. So this is also different between active immunity and passive immunity. Active immunity types: natural acquired active immunity and artificial acquired active immunity. Passive immunity consists of 2 types: natural acquired passive immunity, artificial acquired passive immunity. Fifth point, active immunity, its type natural acquired active immunity is one of the type of active immunity. Natural acquired active immunity obtained due to infection by pathogens. Passive immunity point, natural acquired passive immunity obtain antibody through mother, transmitted to baby by placenta and colostrum. Natural acquired active immunity obtain होते आपल्याला जेव्हा इन्फेक्शन करतो पॅथोजन. नॅचरल acquired passive immunity obtain होते through mother to baby by placenta and colostrum. You know, placenta is one of the most important part. Through mother body contain immunity power transmitted to baby. Colostrum contain immunity power transfer from mother to baby. So this is the difference between natural acquired active immunity and natural acquired passive immunity. Active immunity contain artificial acquired active immunity is one of the type of active immunity obtained through vaccination. आर्टिफिशियल एक्वायर्ड ॲक्टिव्ह इम्युनिटी आपल्याला मिळते थ्रू वॅक्सिनेशन. These vaccines contain dead or live pathogens. आपण जे व्हॅक्सिन्स आपल्या शरीराला टोचून घेतो ते व्हॅक्सिन्स डेड किंवा लाईव्ह पॅथोजन्स असतात. सो दीज आर द आर्टिफिशियल acquired active immunity. Passive immunity contain artificial acquired passive immunity obtained through vaccination, but these vaccines contain ready-made antibodies. This is the difference between artificial acquired active immunity and artificial acquired passive immunity. Example, active immunity, polio vaccine, BCG vaccine are active immunity. Example, passive immunity, antibodies obtained from hyperimmunized horses are injected to humans against rabies pathogen. This is the example of passive immunity. Up to this we detail discuss difference between active immunity and passive immunity. Types of active immunity like natural acquired active immunity, artificial acquired active immunity. Types of passive immunity, natural acquired passive immunity, artificial acquired passive immunity. Hope that you understood everything. Review today's topic. We learn in today's lecture type of immunity, acquired or adaptive immunity. What are the unique features of active immunity? Specificity, diversity, discrimination between self and non-self, and memory are the different unique features of acquired immunity. We also detail discuss type of acquired immunity, active immunity and passive immunity. On the basis of today's lecture, some exercise question noted here. First MCQ, acquired immunity is pathogen specific, pathogen non-specific, congenital, non-effective. Yes, the correct answer is acquired immunity is pathogen specific, means A, pathogen specific is correct option. Acquired immunity has following features: non-specific, memory, congenital. Yes, the correct answer is memory is one of the main feature of acquired immunity. B, memory is correct option. When the body produce its own antibody, such immunity called as active acquired immunity, passive acquired immunity. Both A and B, none of these. Yes, the correct answer is active acquired immunity, A, active acquired. short answer question. Number 1, which are the two types of immunity? Yes, innate immunity, also called as inborn immunity, also called as inherited immunity, is one of the type of immunity. Acquired or adaptive immunity is one of the type of immunity. What are the unique features of acquired immunity? Yes, there are 4 different unique features of acquired immunity, like specificity, diversity, discrimination between self and non-self molecule, and memory. Define acquired immunity: resistance that an individual acquire during the life, called as acquired immunity. Which are the two types of acquired immunity? Yes, there are 2 types of acquired immunity: passive acquired immunity, active acquired immunity. Difference between active and passive immunity: own body cells produce antibody called as active immunity, and other antibodies are introduced in the body from outside, called as passive immunity. Up to this, today's lecture completed. Hope that you understood everything. If you like the video, then you can subscribe my YouTube Bioinfo channel, tap the bell icon and like the video. If any doubt about today's lecture, mention in comment box. Thank you.